I'm Paul Price. I'm CEO of Argyle Executive Forum, which is an event marketing company targeting business-to-business companies in the United States. I came from a marketing services background, spent most of my career in the advertising industry, but I was happy to find and buy Argyle in 2020, and so far so good. Well, it was through our CFO at the time. We had been working with a local freelancer, and that wasn't working out too well. It was unreliable, inconsistent, and we needed someone to help us be consistent and available to help solve for our marketing technology issues. And I think that it was through John's search on one of the services platforms. Well, we have a pretty complicated marketing technology stack that our existing IT service provider really couldn't help us with. And we also had a young guy who had some experience in most of what we had, but it wasn't very deep. And so things were taking a lot longer than they needed to, but it was really important for us to make sure that our marketing tech stack was talking to each other, working at a reliable pace, and doing the sorts of things that we wanted it to do. And that's why we reached out to you. I do. I think because Melonleaf have a really smart way of engaging us through a customer success person in RIA, who then takes our brief and helps distribute that brief to the right person. And we think that's been a really good way of working together. There's obviously a very strong service culture at Melonleaf. The folks are very responsive, they're very polite, and they get things done. And when things take time, they're reminding us that they're on their way to solving, and that's all we need to hear. So, it's been a great experience so far. I think the culture is very, very important. I think that's what distinguishes most good services companies. Some services companies have different cultures, but Melonleaf seem to have it just right. They're very client-centric. They think about what the right answer might be. They seem very agnostic as to whether that is one thing or another. And I think that's what, for me, is very, very distinctive about Melonleaf. We do, to the extent that we have that opportunity on a day-to-day basis. I know that our team, all of the team that engage you regularly, are very praiseworthy, and I know that they would refer you if they were asked that question.